You don't have to be right about thousands and thousands and thousands of companies. You only have to be right about a couple. I met Bill Gates, and Bill said, you've got to have a computer. And he says, it's going to change everything. And I said, well, will it change whether people chew gum? And he said, well, probably not. Well, then I'll stick to chewing gum and you stick to computers, I don't have to understand all kinds of business. There's all kinds of business I don't understand. But there's thousands of opportunities there. I'm able to understand some given percentage. But Ted Williams wrote a book called The Science of Hitting. He said the most important thing in hitting is waiting for the right pitch. I only get a strike called if I swing at a pitch and miss. So I can wait there and look at thousands of companies day after day, and only when I see something I understand and when I like the price at which it's selling, then if I swing, if I hit it, fine. If I miss it, it's a strike. But it's an enormously advantageous game. You only have to have an opinion on a few things. In fact, I've told students, if when they got out of school, they got a punch card with 20 punches on it, and that's all the investment decisions they got to make in their entire life, they would get very rich because they would think very hard about each one. And you don't need 20 right decisions to get very rich. 4 or 5 will probably do it over time. You may have an entirely different field of expertise than I would have, and probably much more up to date in terms of the kind of businesses that we're seeing evolve. And you can get very rich if you just understand a few of them and understand their future.